Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got company out west. That's GWest Corporation, located in Montego Bay. Some trading in shares here. Good to see a corporate action item from GWest. We haven't spoken about them or seen too much releases in the JSE newsroom or corporate action items on them. So in this case here, this is a buy and a sell. So a connected party, purchasing 7.66 million shares, and another connected party, selling the equivalent amount, 7.66 million shares on September 30th, 2020, just the other day. Pulse Investments, some trading in their shares as well. Entertainment company, modeling company, also going into, let's say, real estate with their advisories earlier this year and 2019. In this case, a director is selling just under 1 million shares, 967,592 shares on September 30th, 2020. Now, big time overseas markets, and everybody will be excited to hear about this. Apple Inc. coming out with this product launch. The event's going to be October 13th. It's rumored to be carrying, not just all the new iPhones, but also the iPhone 12. The press invite actually says that goes out, high speed, hinting or talking about that's the whole, idea about 5G connectivity with, the iPhone 12 or their iPhones. And so that's creating a lot of buzz. Usually the Apple product launch is in September. This year, it's a bit delayed, of course, because of the pandemic interrupting supply chains for companies. So that's why, it's right around the table, right around the corner in terms of October versus September. Continuing overseas markets, Walmart taking advantage of their size. We've even seen this, in the local market by Grace Kennedy when they venture into other things or investments. So Walmart is coming out with Walmart Insurance Services, a licensed insurance brokerage to help people enroll in Medicare plans. It's expected to launch next week. So, the general manager for this line of business says is to keep it simple, tailor it to person's budgets, tailor it to their lifestyle. Exciting times. Walmart really, killing it with their e-commerce business, helping the profits, and now looking to go into other things, especially, healthcare being so important now with COVID-19. Last up, not so good news, but this is a continued trend for Boeing. Even though the stock price had rebounded, now it's pulling back to kind of the 52-week low. So Boeing really lowering the forecast. That's the aircraft forecast, demand over the next decade. It's actually down 11% year over year from their 2019 forecast. One of the positive side effects, or let's say positive side of this, is that they expect to actually get opportunities in the defense and aerospace, which could be also, be around $2.7 trillion, going forward, which is good because they got to make up a gap somewhere in terms of what's happening, because of the significantly lower forecast in, new aircrafts over the next decade, chopping by as much as, say, 40,000 units to something like 18,000 units. But this could always be revised. If the economy turns, the vaccine comes, something changes in 2021, 2022, this could always be revised. So this is just 2020 versus 2019, down 11%, but a staggering rate, definitely going to impact the stock price. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.